1. My name is Queen Madu, and you're welcome to another segment of Raising with Queen. So there is this beautiful girl that dropped beautiful pictures of her learning how to drive a train. You know, she studied mass communication, but she ended up learning how to drive a train. According to her, she had this passion to drive, and she saw the opportunity and she grabbed it. You know, as usual, we're gonna say something around the video. So today, I'm here to tell you that, first of all, if you have something in mind, you have to be ready. You understand? When opportunity meets readiness, bam, it clicks. Oh, that is how people blow. So there is no time to sit and be waiting for one manna to fall from heaven. Manna has fallen during Noah's time. Manna will not fall again. There is no time to be lazy. Even that Android you are holding now can give you an opportunity that will change your life. When you meet opportunity, you strike. Focus. Be disciplined. Know when to be ready to meet opportunity. When opportunity meets readiness, that's it. Almost before Zanako. So I commend this girl. When you see youths like this making, moves that can literally change the world, you are proud. And I am actually particular about this one because she's a lady. You know, there is this mindset people already have about women that we don't have anything that is bothering us. And only that if we marry, we have a husband that is going to take care of. It's not true. Some of us actually have families that we take care of. Some of us actually have dreams and visions to, execute and become, dear. So we have mentors we look up to, like Okunjo Iweala. We have a lot of them. Let Dora Kunili, you get them. These women change the pace. Chimamanda Deche, Chief Chimamanda Deche, Odera or one. So All these women are powerful women. They took the bull by the horn and they strike, and they got it right. So I am telling you now, my fellow brothers and sisters, if you see an opportunity, I beg you in the name of God, be ready, so that when that opportunity gets to you, you grab it and you make do with it. Okay? So because to this lady that is learning how to drive a train is a very big thing. I'm not even on your bike or for the train. That lady is fearless. I love fearless people. I love courageous people. She's fearless, she's courageous, and I wish her all the best life can offer for her in that driving. She's going to make it. She's going to be big like Toby Emerson, our sprinter that that run like Usain Bolt. So I just love successful women, and I pray that all of us are going to get it right at the right time. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to BVI Channel 1. Don't forget to go to www.bvichannel1.com to read our hot news as they drop. We bring up for your doorstep. Bang, bang, bang. On our soul. Yes. So continue clicking, continue sharing, continue liking. We're gonna be here and bring it for you. Hot. See you next time.